What's up, you guys? It's your girl Leslie, your favorite YouTube lesbian. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I have come up with a little game that we are going to play with the NORVINA Pro Palette Volume 1. So if you're wondering why I look like this and what I've done, then just keep on watching. And if you're new here, hey, what's up? I'm Leslie. Welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on the bell so you're notified every time I upload, which is changing right now to Wednesdays and Fridays. So stay tuned for those. Let's get into the challenge. All right, you guys, this is my beautiful niece, Sage. She is going to be our assistant today. That way you guys can't say that I cheated in this game. So she's going to pick one piece of paper from here and one from here until we get them all. Half our letters, half our numbers. Let's see what I'm stuck doing today. Go for it. Let's see what the first one is. It's hard with my nails. What is it?
A B.
B. Okay, now pick one out of here. I'll put them here so I don't forget. Had to improvise. What does that say?
4.
4. So B4 is going to be first. What's next? Let me keep going till they're gone. Thank you.
D.
D.
A B again.
3.
Oh, 3.
Yeah, it's a 3. So D3 is next. Go for it. Okay.
E.
E. Thank you, ma'am. Make sure they don't blow away, huh? Got my fan on.
2.
2. Oh, E2 is next. 1, 2, 3. We got 2 more rows to go.
A.
A. What's this one? Let's see.
5.
A5. And the last one. Last one is going to be
C.
C. And our number will be
1.
1. So C1 is the last color we're going to be using. Thank you, my lovely assistant. I'm going to prime my eyes and then I'll be back. All right, so I've only primed one eye because I'm going to do one on camera and one off camera, but let me show you what we have to work with in the order. So the first one she chose was B4, which is this purple right here. Next was D3, which is the red. Next was E2, it's orange. Then A5, the hot pink. And last but not least, C1 is the white. Okay, that's good that that one's last, so I have an idea for that. Besides that, y'all, I have no clue what I'm doing today, so we are winging it. Oh boy, I did not set the primer because we are working with the pigments. I used the Anastasia primer. Okay, B4, that was the dark purple. Fuck my life. You know what? Let's put that as a crease color. Yeah, I'm gonna stamp that all over. That's what we're gonna do. Right in here. I just realized I didn't put any tape on. I didn't put any shadow shields on. So I guess if I wanted to do a wing, I'm kind of shit out of luck, huh? Y'all know I can barely do a wing with help, let alone without. Isn't my niece just the cutest little thing? Don't let her face fool you though. She'll get you. So today is Sunday, y'all, and it is the first regular season football game. Woohoo! My team is playing today. Oh, the Chargers. Yep. Now my shirt still has original SD on the arms. I dropped my towel. And that's because I rep SD, and I'm mad that the city didn't fight to keep them there, so I refuse to call them the Los Angeles Chargers. Like, that just sounds stupid. Yeah, I feel some type of way about it. Anyway, let's hope we had a better season than last year and that we quit fucking up in the fourth quarter. That'd be fantastic, guys. Okay. I think I'm happy with that. Let me just make sure it's even. We need a little bit more on the outside. You like that? All right, what was next? D3. Oh, that was the red. You know what? Let's put the red right here on top of the purple. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. All right, D3. Here we go. Let's start over there and see where we land. I don't know if I want to bring this all the way around or if I want to like act like I'm creative, like right now. If you guys have this palette, you should totally play this game. It's awesome. And maybe I will just kind of lightly feather it in the inner corner. Well, not all the way, like right here. If you guys know me, you know I hate not having a plan. So I don't know why I torture myself. Oh wait, I do know why. For your entertainment. I like a good challenge. Can't get enough. Wait, so I didn't come up with this rule. Like, if I can only use... Hold on, I'm going to ask for assistance. My phone a friend. If I can only use these colors in this order, does that mean I can't, like, go back and fix the colors if they're not right? What do you think? All right, you guys heard it. She said I can go back and use the same colors if I need to blend. So let's go ahead and blend over the top of D3 real quick so it's not so harsh. I'm going to lightly use my windshield wiper motions. I don't know if I'm going to do a cut crease, a halo eye, or fucking shit, I don't know. I had a subscriber comment on one of my last videos that she's from Hesperia. You know how fucking random that is? Like, we're like bordering like neighbors, so I thought that was hella cool. I don't even know if she knew that I was from Victorville, but I told her. I don't know if she's written back yet though. All right, little blenderoni. Okay, what's the next color? E2. Ooh, that was a pretty orange. This is gonna be one bright eye. I think we're gonna put E2 in the middle. Or should we do a cut crease? Nah, that's too much work. I changed my mind. We're gonna put E2 in the front. Yes. See, I can't, y'all. This is why I do shit ahead of time. I can't think on the spot, okay? Like right here. Yeah. I still can't get over how pigmented these are. Like, just by themselves. If I would have cut the crease and put it over the primer while it was really wet, it would have been even brighter. But this right here, this right here, is amazing. It is worth the money. And you might as well get the one with the primer in it because it's only $10 more. Like, it's cheaper than buying the primer separately. Look at me being thrifty. Bargain shopping. Pushing this in the crease. As you can see, because my eyeball's moving crazy. Good thing we can go over, because look, I'm telling you, my skin absorbs like the first layer of eyeshadow. Since I'm not cutting the crease, I am making a bit of a gradient though between the orange and the purple. Oh gosh. Guess who it is? Oh, he actually closed the door and didn't come in? What? What the fuck? What day is it? Mark that shit on the calendar. Right, that's good. That's good for now. Let me go back and touch up this red because it's driving me nuts. I think I'm gonna use a bullet brush this time. From the day I noticed that this palette was situated like this, I knew I had to do a bingo out of it. And I wanted to do it before my idea got stolen by people who don't credit other artists. I can't get enough. And this time I'm going to save the blend for the end. I'm a poet and I didn't even know it. Alright, what's next? A5. Oh yes, the hot pink. Got you. The hot pink we're going to put in the upper corner. Yes, we are. Why? I don't know. Because that's where I think it should go. I can't get enough. This is one hell of a look. And they're all dark. There's like no shimmers, no light colors. I'm just gonna kind of bring it out there. I'm gonna fix the shape when I conceal. You know, I gotta make it look a mess before I can make it look better. I'm gonna grab a blending brush with nothing on it and kind of blend this together out here. Let's grab some more purple. Might as well, right? Falls to the wall. Blending super light. I'm going to put a little smidge of the orange just up here. I don't know, it's going to break up this chunk of darkness that I don't like. Whose idea was this? I don't know why I thought it was going to be easier than this. I'm like, yeah. touch up the orange that's on my lid. Oh yeah. Look at that second go around. I'm going to bring this into the inner corner. You know, it's a good thing that I have that macro lens now, because it's really going to be able to pick up these colors. Ooh, remind me to talk to you guys about that one of these days in a video. Like, it's this macro lens that you attach to your phone to take pictures. It's badass. That looks like a big old fucking mess, don't it? Just wait. Have faith. Have faith. You guys know I always come through. Grab C1, which is our last color, and it's the white. Obviously, we know where that's gonna go. Outline and clean up. Clean up, clean up. Everybody do share. I went back to preschool for a minute.
Clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up, everybody do your share.
I'm using this white to smooth it out. My favorite angled brush for under the brow blending. Okay. I'm happy with that for as far as I can go right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, finish the face, and I'll be back. All right, guys, I am back. We have survived and finished the look. Yeah, I mean, now that the lashes and stuff are on and I used a little bit of the white to kind of diffuse everything, I think we've landed in a pretty good spot for what we had to work with. So since this was so crazy and bright, I went ahead and kind of toned some things down. I used my old favorite Marc Jacobs bronzer in Tantastic. Oh, for blush, I used the Benefit California blush, which is my absolute favorite right now. I decided to use the Artist Couture highlight in Purple Dream, since it does have this pretty purple reflect to it. And for the lips, I went as nude as I possibly could. I lined it with Makeup Revolution Bow Down Liner. I used my MAC satin lipstick in Peach Stock and topped it off with the Anastasia gloss in Sunset Strip. Last but not least, you know we've got the lashes to discuss, darling. These, of course, are from Shop Envy Me. These are in the style NYC from their Badass collection, and you guys know the tea. Go check them out. You want a discount? Easy. I got you. Use code PRETTY10 at checkout to save some coin. Well, that is it for NORVINA Pro Palette Bingo Session 1. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and if you have this palette, you guys should really try it. It's challenging, to say the least. So make sure you guys go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell so you're notified every time I upload. I'm changing my upload schedule just a bit to account for the editing and exporting and all that process. So right now, I'm probably only going to upload twice a week, which will be Friday for Followers Friday, and probably Wednesdays. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Go 5, 4, 3, 2, I let one go. I don't bluff, bro.